got a whole lot of drip. Hey, yo, Cloudy, let's run this shit up.
Big clocks, big pistol, big guns, big Glock, big blocks, big blocks, big shit over here. Pop in over here, nigga don't play here, nigga ready to disappear. For real, tell you, and we get to this money, take it up for real. Big locks, big pistols, you running the ground, you keep it to fire. Digga, you trying to say you smoke, and you end up missing. Having them glass and I'm having them pistols, nigga, big locks, big pistols, nigga don't wanna fucking play, and I go head up with the missile. Get you motherfucking gone, get motherfuckers pop out the picture. Niggas acting like they like that. Nigga ain't on shit. Nigga be sipping that potion. They sipping at you, nigga. Whenever you gon' get hit with the motherfucking fire up on your neck, don't try to run, cause that and fire it's gonna tear up your back. Like real shit. Hey, we come with you, step in the door. I'm telling you, don't wanna play, don't hop in the way, don't do no goofy shit, no love for club. Just stay in your motherfucking lane, do your goddamn thing. We gon' do what we do, we bang in peace. We also bring that peace, just in case you know. Ooh, get to this money, got run it up, stack it, I got to do my goddamn thing. I remember I came from, I'm telling you, I'm on the goddamn road. It's been a long goddamn way, ain't no cap.
You got a whole lot of drip. Hey, yo, Cloudy, let's run this shit up.
Gotta go get it, and I can't fucking stop. I'm having faith and I keepin' it knot. Your nigga will never get hit with the Glock. I'm never, ever gonna back, bro. What the fuck you talking about, lil' fo? What the fuck you talking about, lil' ho? Motherfuckers running about like Joe. I ain't saying nothing, so I don't know nothing. Motherfuckers like to run their mouth about something.